personal question.
Yes.
the
Nakaligo
past-
na ako.
Apo.
What's so personal about it?
No, sir.
Do I smell
The
good?
other day po, si Mayor Sara
Yes.
announced that she lost two of the triplets. She said na
Wow.
hindi pa daw po kayo nakakapag-usap. I'm so sorry, sir.
Maski nung una pa yan, it took her a long time to be pregnant and, with the medical intervention. When somebody called me, I went to the bathroom and sa labas kasi nasa lobby kami. I cried. I cried. These are the things in life na cannot be assuaged by just, you have to heal yourself. I'm sorry. Anyway, thank you for asking. Kasi sabi ko nga, the right of the people to be informed. She's she's an employee of government. I'm a public employee of the national. We're just workers in government. Yes,